in this life, pray that you don't come across ungrateful people. Pray that you don't help ungrateful people. Because when you help ungrateful people, denial is always the easiest way of showing ingratitude. You got to go. Akuzayo nidume. Once again, you have been vindicated. You got to go. Obiomago, Obiomago, Obiomago. I am American in your job. That is why in Juwe, especially only for no if you go or somebody, you gotta go somebody do superior or higher or higher class than you. You know how you can put it best. But into also messy way explain you go no onye kalelego na adona mma. Owelu mbunu weloku. The best thing you can do for yourself to maintain your dignity is to walk away. I'm not a or else it will be your word against your word. I'm even onye kalelego in the sense that there are other places where you may be praising him. You may have told some of your friends, look at what, you know, some conversation you got. Now, when you come out and start talking, it will be your words against your words. You gotta go. It will be your words against your words. And that will come to you denying which name are not highly impossible. Number two, it will come to something like if I no when you be a bell on na police, no when you be a bell on na police, what you will only one a Bugarizie or Zionio so be a bell on Madonna police. But on that faithful day, you gotta go. On that faithful day, which is 7th, on that faithful day, you posted, and I read, Akuzayo Nidume, Seaman CEO, your contacts remain oversized to many. And your friend, Umwoko posted, Akuzayo Nidume, Seaman CEO, your contact remain oversized to many. On that same day again, local government chairman Ngobala posted also, Akuzayo Nidume, you are 1,000 man together. Thanks for standing together with the Nwoko from the beginning. What is it that you people are trying to tell the Maduketa? You could have walked away with pride, with your dignity intact. What do you mean by being with Nwoko? Thank you for standing together with Nwoko from the beginning to the end. Then when you say, no what you billionaire, no when he fortune, no one car, no one boy. You said with your mouth, na contact here, oversized to many. You will keep contradicting yourself. It will always be your word against your word. It is not your word against anybody's word. Because it was you who said this. It's you now who is coming back to tell us that first, it was you who posted the first picture Akuzayon screenshot online. One page you screenshot where you were calling him a billionaire, blah 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 blah. Now, the same you put a online billionaire call. Ngukulu no na contact here oversize. Ngukulu no nwere forge. You got to go. Ngukulu no nwere forge. Ngukulu no release no no nya. Ngukulu no release no no nwere ife o melu no I will at the thing choke in another person. Mission no ubu ya kadolo. Iko akuko ntwesi we ri miabani. Na that jonjo. Ohe end the show for ma. Ohe end the show for ma. Akuzayo Nidume. Akuzayo Nidume. Ezigbo mmadụ oke ewa, ezigbo mmadụ ahụ ewu aye mewu ka pụọ n'okwu n'ụka. Hapụ na ndị ọshọngọ n'oke bịara ka ha dịpuo akpago iwe jụ because na nwere onye iji ụgwọ, nwere onye tụrụ afịa and onye n'ime ha supply ngwa afịa ịjụ na ya akwụghị ụgwọ. Ịghọtago? Ezigbo mmadụ 1,100,000 ka mmadụ tere na case na one case nwere you still have the God to come online to come and drag that person. We are not talking about other money. 1,100,000. Query over 300,000. If one year return here, Onya Newagundu, Kerifa ye melono, the mother, Kerifa ye melono, Kerifa ye melono. Akosa so ni name the mother ga. So ni ne wole ga in the mother, where yeah. So no way in the in a Maya can pay to a hele ganye like this. Mama ways to go where Alema. Mama ways to go where Alema. Elia go. Irisha put go because they should go to anyway go to an account here. Makano na run a joint account. On a run a joint account. Or lose your kunoka. If you don't say deny you, if you will deny more than 1,000 things you makonya, walk away with dignity. He did deny Unya Henyo go na yoha. Is it not supposed to ego? Ego. Yeah? Or carry who for them then again as thanks. So can if you battle no yegi deny ego. If you deny ego, you what I go. I don't know when people will understand the simple, some of the simple way of this life. Walk away. It is more like Ebe Gona, your best friend, this and open. Walk away, let him walk away. Makunu mepo no a lot will come out because we hold a lot of secrets together. We will make us get a lot of things together. So he put a cover case where in nearby. A man answer we are. So walk away, let him walk away. That is the best. It was called the go when I go and make ife. Moria tata from Mezugo. Or go when I go and make ife. Gonna go we move which in Jewelo Mwelu. It will be more, it is more dignifying to do that than you coming back. If you say, no way for me to call to be, he will rubbish your affair, or ye querume, Nderi de Melie, Awa for her, Apa Juruha, Apa Juruha, Eto Akamna happy for you. A show molo, a show area go, a show area go, I'm go call